Welcome to Legal English. In this video, we're going to practice a useful vocabulary skill for the TOLES test, finding the word that doesn't belong in a group. You'll see 4 words on the screen. 3 of them are related. 1 is different. Your job is to spot the odd one out. It's a great way to build your legal vocabulary and sharpen your thinking, especially if you're preparing for a legal English exam like TOLES. Let's look at some examples together, and I'll explain the logic, the correct answer, behind each one. So in this section of the TOLES Foundation exam, you'll get questions like this. There are 4 words on the screen. 3 belong to the same legal category. 1 does not. Your job, find the word that doesn't belong. Let's try this together. Lawyer, paralegal, judge, and invoice. Now think about it. The first 3, lawyer, paralegal, and judge, are all people who work in the legal system. They have legal roles in a court or a law firm. But the last word, invoice, is not a person. It's a document related to billing or payment. So the correct answer is invoice, because it doesn't fit with the other job titles. Remember, TOLES is not just testing vocabulary, it's testing your ability to think clearly in English. Let's do another one. Which word does not belong here? Lawyer, barrister, courtroom, solicitor. The correct answer is courtroom. Why? Because lawyer, barrister, and solicitor are all legal professionals, people. But courtroom is a place. It doesn't fit with the others. This one is a little harder. Motion, infringement, quorum, resolution. 3 of these are actions or legal decisions, but a quorum is different. It means the minimum number of people needed for a meeting to be valid. It's about meetings, not legal actions. So quorum is the odd one out. Let's look at another. Battery, slander, trespass, statute. 3 of these are torts, civil wrongs. Battery, slander, and trespass are all examples of wrongful acts. But the statute is a written law, so that's the word that doesn't belong. It's the odd one out. Think about company law. Members, shareholders, and subscribers are all people involved in a company. But barristers are part of the legal profession, not company structure. That makes barristers the odd one out. Next, we have proxy, payroll, salary, and staff. 3 of these are about employees or employment, but proxy is a legal term used when someone acts or votes on behalf of another. It doesn't belong in a list about employment terms. Let's keep going. Dismissal, negligence, retirement, resignation. Dismissal, retirement, and resignation are all ways someone leaves a job. But negligence is a legal mistake or failure to act with care. That's the odd one. Let's look at this group. Contract, agreement, clause, judge. The first 3, contract, agreement, and clause, are parts of a legal document, but a judge is a person, not a document. So, of course, judge is the odd one out. Here we have copyright, trademark, patent, and divorce. 3 of these, copyright, trademark, and patent, are part of intellectual property law. But divorce belongs to family law, so that word doesn't belong. Incorporation, partnership, corporation, witness. The first 3 all relate to business structures, But a witness is a person who gives evidence in court, not a business type. So witness doesn't fit. It's the odd one out. Let's try this one. Judge, mortgage, lease, and tenant. Mortgage, lease, and tenant all relate to property or housing agreements. But again, a judge is a part of the court system, not real estate. So judge is the odd one out. Let's go to the last one. We have client, penalty, fine, and compensation. So fine, penalty, and compensation are all outcomes or results in legal cases, forms of payment. But a client is a person, someone the lawyer helps. That makes client the word that doesn't belong. So in this toll section, you always need to ask yourself, what do 3 of these words have in common? What does the 4th mean? And why is it different? This section tests your understanding of legal categories, so reading and reviewing legal vocabulary really helps. Keep up the great work and see you in the next lesson.